Absolutely. So, Lisa, I know you are a really big believer in ride-alongs when it comes to selling so that you can observe how people are approaching their sales presentations. Can you share with us some of the common pitfalls or mistakes that you see salespeople make when they're either new to selling in the healthcare industry or maybe they're just too comfortable selling in healthcare?
Yes. So I think there's a few of those, Lisa. I think one is being comfortable selling maybe lower in the organization. And I don't mean any disrespect by that, but ultimately we're selling for someone to make a decision. So I think the mistake is maybe selling to leaders or executives and being comfortable there. So I think that's number one. And not that there's not value in getting consensus, but sometimes we're happy with getting a call, but that call doesn't mean there's going to be a decision maker or outcome. So I think that's number one.
Mhm.
I think number two is how we orchestrate a sales presentation. We've been told to ask questions and then we go into our presentations. I think if you're going to ask questions, might limit them to one or two